Hey, thanks for joining us again today. And here's something I don't do too many of if you've been watching my videos. A 2011 Chevy Camaro 2SS convertible, 6-speed manual with only 26,000 miles. I like the cars. I just don't get a lot of them because a lot of them are beat up and not in this condition. I've always loved this combination. I know you can't see it because the top's up, but it also has a orange interior with the stripes, the brakes, everything. This car is tied in together in all the right ways. Today we're going to do a little walk around. We'll go over the exterior, interior, show you the top, show you the engine, 6.2 liter V8, and just show you what this car has to offer. These are great cars. They handle well. It's a bigger car, so like if you're looking to go on a trip or something, you got lots of room in the back. It's got a back seat if you have kids or somebody else that wants to sit in the back. And just a really, really nice example here. So we're going to start our way in the front or work our way around. And as always, if there's anything I miss, feel free to call me, text me. I'd be glad to do an individual FaceTime walk around. That way, whether you're coming in to look at the car or get the car shipped right to your front door, you know exactly what you're getting. And we try to make everything that we know about the car known. And yeah, so paint on this car overall is in, I'd say, excellent condition. It's not all chipped up. It's not scratched up. Just really no signs of heavy use or heavy damage on this thing. The hood going into the front bumper and the fender over here, perfectly holding together. The paint match is perfect. And just really paired with these orange stripes, even the orange stripes don't show any kind of acid rain or anything like that. It really just brings all this car together. You'll really see it whenever I put the top down. Again, 2SS, so it does have some upgraded body moldings. I think it actually is an upgraded grille too. I could be wrong on that, but really has an aggressive look to it. And if you want to come over here, we'll do the driver's side. Driver's side is really nice. Okay, front fender, front door, rear quarter panel. All right, I don't see any kind of dents or anything on the quarter panel. Door handle area, all really nice and clean, as well as the lower rocker panel and molding. Let's see on the front fender. Little dent right there, nothing to get excited about. Camaro designation, SS designation. Even the glass on this car, you'll see in the pictures, there's no cracks or big chips or anything. No streaks in the glass from wipers that were worn. Front wheel, a little bit of curb rash right there. Insides of them show nicely. Calipers, lug nuts, everything's there. It does have a wheel lock, which we do have the lock in the glove box. Insides of the fenders are even nice the whole way around. And yeah, tires got a lot of tread left. I think they're date code 2014 in the front. I think the rears are 2016, but a lot of tread left. Nothing that you're going to replace. If you want to come to the back, we'll do the back. Convertible top on this is perfect. Obviously, it has a little dust on it, but really nice. Looks like the rear glass was tinted, and it does have a factory defroster in it. I'm going to go ahead and get in the car now and put the top down so you can visualize the car with the top down a little bit more while we're doing this video, and then we'll come and work our way around. Plus, we'll be able to see the interior better. There's a power top in this. I always like to start them. I don't know if you have to or not. Brakes on, and then you just hold the button, and there's a light that shows on the screen here. It says top not secure. That'll go away whenever it's done, and I believe it makes a chime as well. We'll find out in a second. Yep. So just like that, the top is down, and you're ready to cruise on those nice summer and fall days. And it's got heated seats, so even if it's a little cool out, you can still enjoy the weather. Let me grab the key, actually. All right, rear bumper, rear quarter. This, I believe, again, is all factory. It almost has to be with how this dual exhaust system is molded in here. Again, 6.2 liter V8. Car handles really well, shifts smoothly. The clutch is easy to operate. You can see right now, actually, so I don't have to do it later. All the back lights are in working order. Rear deck lid. Again, no kind of acid rain or anything showing. Stripes really break this car and bring the whole interior together with the orange accents and trim that we have going around. Just pop the trunk here. All right, trunk area. Let's see, I honestly don't know what this is. Oh, this is cool. So this is, whenever the top's down, it's plastic panels that cover the channel here to give that a nice complete look. Maybe I'll try to get a picture of it whenever I get the pictures for the car. Trunk area, really just as it should. They have a little diagram here. I'm assuming that's showing you how to put, that's actually letting you know that if you move this compartment, then the top won't go up and down. So I pretty much always tell people just to leave that in place. Wow, I'm trying to find something on this. Passenger quarter, passenger door. It's white, so it really is hard to see anything too. I thought that was a dent, but no, I don't think it is. I think it's just a reflection. Rear wheel on that side, just the same as this side. Really nice. In fact, this side doesn't have any curb rash on it. Insides of the wheels, very little wear. Again, Pirellis, and I think they're date coded 2016. But all right, passenger door, passenger court or front fender. Again, just the same as the other side. Obviously, I'm going to miss something, but overall, you're looking at a really nice example of a 2011 Chevy Camaro. It did have a minor damage report. I think, from what I remember, I think the front bumper was repainted. Minor damage is less than $500 damage, just so you know, but I'd rather you know about it than be surprised. Interior's perfect. No kind of odors or anything. The seat bolsters are still nice and firm. Her shifter, again, 6-speed manual. I actually like that it doesn't have navigation, because at this point the navigation would look kind of dated. It's got a real easy to use interface. Has heads-up display, heated seats, premium stereo system. I think it actually has backup sensors too. Whenever you back up, it chimes at you. Steering wheel controls, cruise control. I really think the only thing it doesn't have is navigation. This is pretty cool too. Pays a little homage to the late 60s Camaros, where you could order that center display that showed you your RPMs, and I think it shows your engine temperature, oil pressure, battery. Really neat feature there. And I guess I already fired it up, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you under the hood, and we'll go from there if you want to close that door. Leave this key in here so it doesn't get lost. Again, I hope you can capture how nice this car is all tied together with the orange stripe, the orange interior, the accents, everything about this car. It's just done right. It doesn't have too much done to it. It's just enough that, and from what I know, I believe, don't quote me, but I believe it's all factory, except for this cold air intake. So really nice under the hood here. Brace bar, cold air K&N intake. Just a nice clean engine bay. You can see everything. This is before they filled them up with plastic and covered everything. And, you can still do a lot to these cars that isn't going to cost a lot. If you want to change the exhaust, put a different shifter in, brake upgrades, there's a lot of stuff that you can do. But you don't need to do a brake upgrade, because this has the Brembo brake package, and just a really loaded up car. These cars are, I'm not saying they're getting hard to find, but to find one in this condition with this miles and this color combination, it's been a while since I've had one, I can say that. Inspection was just done. Again, this is available at Autosport in Indiana, Pennsylvania. It's only got 26,000 miles. We do Corvettes, Mustangs, Miatas, classics, diesel trucks. Make sure you follow our page or our social media, YouTube, whatever it is. We're working on doing a renovation in the basement so we can hopefully store about another 20 cars. And next year at this time, we're hoping to have about 70 cars total. So make sure you follow us along, see us grow. And we appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. And we'll do whatever we can to get this guy in your garage. Call me if you have any questions. Thanks.